Here's some Tsarist Russia trivia. Subscribe. Who was the last emperor of Russia? Is it A. Boris Godunov, B. Peter I, C. Alexander III, D. Nicholas II? The correct answer is D. Nicholas II. Which city served as the capital of Russia? Is it A. Moscow, B. St. Petersburg, C. Vladivostok, or D. Kazan? The correct answer is B. St. Petersburg. What term refers to Russian rulers before 1917? Is it A. Dictators, B. Kings, C. Emperors, or D. Tsars? The correct answer is D. Tsars. What was the nickname of Peter the Great? Is it A. the Magnificent, B. the Reformer, C. the Great, or D. the Conqueror? The correct answer is C. the Great. Which dynasty ruled Russia from 1613 to 1917? Is it A. Romanov, B. Time of Troubles, C. Rurikovichi, or D. Bolshoi? The correct answer is A. Romanov. What was the secret police of Tsarist Russia called? Is it A. Okhrana, B. Stasi, C. KGB, or D. Gestapo? The correct answer is A. Okhrana. Who was the mother of Nicholas II? Is it A. Alexandra of Denmark, B. Maria Feodorovna, C. Empress Marie, or D. Catherine the Great? The correct answer is B. Maria Feodorovna. What modern reform movement began under Alexander II? Is it A. Women's suffrage, B. Industrial Revolution, C. Emancipation of serfs, or D. Workers' rights movement? The correct answer is C. Emancipation of serfs. What was the primary residence of the Tsars? Is it A. Kremlin, B. Winter Palace, C. Ekaterinburg, or D. St. Petersburg? The correct answer is A. Kremlin. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.